Well, I'm KCRA 3 meteorologist Dirk Verdorn with the latest on this storm that's making its way across Northern California. The good news is that it's already reached its peak, and now we're seeing things kind of taper off a bit. We still have some areas that are very active, but for the most part, widespread. The rain has really dissipated quite a bit. We're still holding on to some decent amount of snow in the Sierra. One of the more active locations is actually in Stanislaus County, where we're seeing these showers pop up over the coastal hills, and you can see a little cell right here making its way towards Modesto. It'll more than likely weaken within the next 15 minutes, but still very active as it pushes up the west slope of the Sierra, where we have some thunderstorm activity that's been popping up near Groveland in Tuolumne County. Those lightning strikes have tapered off, and we're seeing things stabilize a bit, but we're still seeing a lot of snow in the Sierra. As you work your way up between 4,000 to 5,000 feet in elevation, that's where we're seeing that snow really start to pick up, and you can see the bright white. That's some significant snowfall that's still going on. Now, as we move to the north here in Plumas County, much less. Yet there is some snow, but most of it's very light. It picks up a little bit as you work your way into Lassen County and on into Nevada. But good news over I-80. Snow also starting to taper, but along Highway 50, still coming down pretty strong. As we zoom in over the crest of Highway 50, we are looking at, this is near Sierra Tahoe. Winds blowing strong, and the snow still coming down pretty heavy as the road is coated with snow. Winds, these are sustained winds. These aren't the gusts. These are still just the sustained winds of 20 miles per hour at Lake Tahoe. As you work your way up over Echo Summit, you're going to run into some stronger winds there. 21-mile-an-hour winds currently in Placerville. Stockton, 31-mile-an-hour winds. This is where we're seeing some of the strongest winds right now in San Joaquin County. So if you're there in San Joaquin County, you know it. 25-mile-an-hour winds in Fairfield, 21 in Sacramento, and 16 in Auburn. And these are the gusts, still gusting up to 41 miles per hour in Stockton, 33 in Fairfield, 32 in Sacramento, 33 in Placerville, and 28-mile-an-hour gusts currently in Modesto. Futurecast showing us that these wind gusts over the next couple of hours are going to start to dissipate quite a bit. So by 3:30, we're looking at those winds starting to decrease, and by 6 o'clock, they'll be a little noticeable, but not nearly as much as what we're seeing now, and they'll continue to dissipate over the night tonight. We will see some areas of fog, though, developing with some clearing. That's a look at what's going on with your weather. We'll get you back to your local programming. For more on the weather, turn it to KCRA 58, KQCA 58 at 5 o'clock.